favorite quotes from Benjamin Franklin is, "If you fail to plan, you are planning to fail." I know 2020 has been a weird year for most people and things have not gone as planned. However, despite of all of it, you can still implement a few things in order to improve your life in 2021. You probably must be having big New Year resolutions to start from January 2021. But let me ask you one simple thing. What are you waiting for? Take advantage of these last few weeks of 2020 and start now. Get ahead of your journey now. Time is precious and the longer you wait, you have less of it. So now let's talk about 5 simple things that you can begin implementing from today to improve your life in 2021. So the first thing that you should definitely consider implementing is practicing gratitude. I cannot emphasize enough on this. The benefits of practicing gratitude are huge, and people who regularly practice gratitude by taking out the time to notice and reflect upon things that they are thankful for experience more positive emotions, feel more alive, sleep better, express more compassion and kindness, and even have stronger immune systems. Gratitude doesn't need to be reserved for special occasions. Surely you might express gratitude after receiving a promotion at work, but you can also be thankful for all the things that are happening in your life every day. Write down at least 5 things that you are grateful for every day, either at the start of the day or at the end of the day. You can also write down all the good things that happen to you throughout the day. You can think of things in your head, but writing them down is way more powerful. A lot of times we don't realize how much we have to be grateful for in life. The more you express gratitude, the more happiness you will find with what you already have now. The next thing that you can do is learn something new every day. If you ask me, 2020 was the year which helped me a lot to self-reflect upon myself and to know a lot of things about myself which already existed, but somehow I had no time to discover it. Amidst the pandemic, I bought a few courses which helped me to learn and explore new things. For me, 2020 was actually a much needed year for all of us because it helped us to know ourselves better as we had ample of time on our table during the lockdown. As children, we were always encouraged to learn something new every day. We did experiments at school, took part in extracurricular activities, and joined cultural groups. But then something happened which changed everything. Guess what? Adulthood. We went from being curious children to adults dedicated to their 9-to-5 jobs, which majority of us find unrewarding, adopted routines that barely ever change. Life went from being exciting to boring in no time. Now the point is, why should you learn something new every day? Let me tell you. It keeps a curious child inside of you alive. It keeps you motivated and excited. You may have heard that the brain is like a muscle. Just like any other muscles, you have to exercise the brain by learning new things. It also makes us happier as we experience a rush of dopamine. So here are a few tips to learning something new every day. Treat mistakes as learnings and not as failure. Instead of crying over the mistakes that you have done in the past, try and learn from them. Treat the process of figuring out what went wrong as a win in itself, and use this powerful knowledge for your future. Get out of your daily routine and try to do something new every day. Go for a walk, eat lunch with someone in a different department, take a different route to your next client meeting. Do whatever it takes to break that routine cycle. If you do the same things every day, you will miss the chance for unexpected encounters and discoveries. And you will also lose out on the critical mind-wandering time that helps you generate new ideas. Listen to a podcast. At least once or twice every week, listen to a podcast that is informative and helps you widen your horizon of thoughts by learning through listening. Use your current skills and interests as a stepping stone to a new one.
Do you love to cook? Try a recipe in a completely new cuisine or by using a new piece of equipment. Do you love writing? Try your hands on a completely new subject that you don't normally write on. Get inspired by doing and exploring new things.
Start journaling and write down your aspirations and goals. Just imagine a person who has set out on a journey but doesn't really know where his destination is. Do you think he will be able to get where he wants to be? No, right? Because he doesn't really know where he is headed. Similarly, this happens to our life when we don't really know what is that we want in life. So before starting a new year of 2021, make sure you have written down all your dreams and goals that you want to accomplish in 2021. Make it a point that you jot it down on a paper because then you won't really know what is that you aspire for. Once you have it written down, believe me, you will subconsciously start taking actions towards it. I have personally implemented it in my life and it has worked wonders for me. I hope this helps you as well, and once you are able to achieve something out of that list, make sure you come back on this video and let me know in the comment section below. I'll be really happy to know. So the next thing that you can do is invest in a mentor. Try investing in a mentor that holds expertise in the area of your interest. This will not only help you to get advantage of their knowledge and expertise, but also the experiences that they have had in the past and their learnings. This will basically save a lot of your time and effort and in turn will help you to up your game. So the last but not the least is use your phone productively. Let's face it, you're using it anyway. Download an app that gives you a daily reminder, prompt, question or tip. Depending on your preferences, you might be motivated by something like a fun learning game, or you might need a more linear planning tool. Find what works for you and use it to hold yourself accountable. So if you found this video useful, make sure you click on that like button and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing content coming your way. Also, share this video with all your loved ones and let's all together make this 2021 a best year ever for all of us. Until next time, stay happy, stay blessed, love you all.